Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I am here to bring you a color spotlight. I'm here to show you Gabor Color SS Buttered Toast, and that is code GL15-26SS. I have this color in the style, or on the style, Fresh Chic. And so in this video today, I'm going to talk briefly about the style, even though I do have a full review of this style already out there. I'm going to talk about the color. We're going to dissect it a little bit, and I'm going to show it to you outside. So if you're curious about this color, please stick around for the rest of this video. SS Buttered Toast is a very pretty blend between a dark blonde and a very light brown. I would say that this is more on the blonde spectrum of things, but I think if you are a blonde at heart or used to being a blonde, you might see this one leaning a little bit toward the light brown. And that I think is because of the combination of the light brown or the medium brown root and some of the brown that runs through this. So let's break down the color a little bit. When I look online at the description of this piece, I see that it says it is a dark ash blonde, a medium ash blonde, warm caramel brown with hints of medium brown. That's where I say this can kind of toe the line between a dark blonde and a light brown, and then it has medium brown roots. I'd like to spend a minute talking about these roots. I really believe that these are the perfect shadow root. It is not super dark at all. Just a medium brown root. As I do this, you can kind of see a little bit of that monofilament there. And it's just really right at the root. It's not a deep or long root at all. So in natural light, I have tons of light on me right now so that the video will pick up the piece and all of the detail. But in natural, normal, everyday lighting, this just looks like a shadow. It does not look like you are a few weeks past getting your hair done at all. It looks really, really natural. And I think the color combination is really quite good. This color does pull quite warm. I would say, even though the description has a little bit of ash in it with the dark ash blonde, I do think this is more of a warm color than anything. So if you're looking for more of an ashy blonde, this one I really wouldn't consider. I do think it's pretty warm. I would also say that it's very well blended. So I will pull this off for you before we get outside to see this color outside. But just note, as I do a little spin for you and I get a little closer to the camera, it looks very well blended. It doesn't look highlighted. No extreme highlights. Just very skilled blending of color, which I think is really fantastic. I do think that a lot of women can wear this color. It doesn't pull really any red. So while I think it's more of a warm blonde, it's not a super yellow blonde. And so I do think that a lot of skin tones would be flattered by this color. I also think it's a color that if you're used to on the lighter brown side of things, you can definitely wear this. If you're used to lighter blondes, this could be a good winter blonde for you. So in that sense, I think a lot of, whether you're a brunette or a blonde, a lot of people are going to be able to wear this color. It's really great. Now, I do have a review of Cafe Chic. Cafe Chic. That's not what this is called. It's called Fresh Chic. I do have a review of this one out there, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this piece, but it has a lace front and a mono part, and it's just these cute, messy, disorganized waves and curls. It's not super full and poofy, although it does feel quite full here because of how the curls are. So I will say that when I first got this wig a long time ago in the first review I did, at first I felt a little overwhelmed by it because there is quite a bit of hair and it's all sort of full right on the sides here. It is not heavy with permatease though. It does have permatease. It's not super pillowy and poofy. A little bit up here, but other than that, it definitely gets its fullness from the layers and the curls. So if you're looking at this wig, wondering if this wig is for you, then you can watch my other review, but just wanted to give you those few notes. Now let's just take a look at this right here up close without me moving it too much so that you can see all that great blending. It's not super shiny, so if it's coming across shiny on your monitor, blame my camera and the lighting. As I look at it, it's definitely not super shiny at all. And that shadow root is all throughout the piece, which is why I say it kind of gives it a light brown appearance. Even though I think the colors in here are predominantly blonde. Let me go to my color index here and I can tell you what that says about these color codes. So a 15 is a honey golden blonde and a 26 is a golden blonde. So the main color components are blondes, a honey, golden blonde, and a golden blonde, which is why I say this is more warm than anything. Although I would say it's more kind of golden as opposed to yellow. All right, guys, let's get outside so that you can see this color in outside light. If this has been helpful for you, please give this a thumbs up. If you like content like this, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get more great color spotlights, wig reviews. I do lots of tutorials, so please check out my channel. I have tons of tutorials in my Tip Tuesdays, and I have a whole new wig wearers series. So I'm really trying to put out good content that will help you. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get outside. All right, everyone, we are outside to see the color SS Buttered Toast, which is GL15-26SS. I think I got that number right. I'll get in the sun in a second, but this is such a beautiful dark blonde, light brown, with some beautiful dynamic color and a very, very subtle root. Such a pretty color. Now let me get in the sun for you. It is beautiful. And this is on Gabor's Fresh Chic or Fresh Chic. I don't know. It's really just a beautiful, bright, not super light, not super dark, not super highlighted color, just super natural. And that root is great. It is a subtle, subtle shadow root, not a dark brown. It's just really a complementary color that looks so natural. I really hope that you're able to see this color in a way that helps you make a decision if you're trying to make a decision. All right, guys, let me know if you have questions. Thanks for watching.